If you've just memorized all the Japanese hiragana but you need some practice to lock them up to your long-term memory, this is the video for you. You'll see some easy Japanese words in hiragana, then you have 3 seconds to read them out loud before the solution is shown. The words will get harder and harder towards the end. Let's practice.
は、め、み、かに、歌、家、耳、雪、雨、朝、道、馬、笛、顔、雨、夜、窓、卵、曇り、時計、ネズミ、イモリ、さくら、羊、翼、はさみ、看護師、冷蔵庫、警察官、11月、生活用品。
And that's it. Did you get everything right? If you like this little practice and if you want more videos about Japan, make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you and see you soon.